Hi friends, welcome to my channel Gyantek. Today I'm in front of you to share the information about the relational database management system, that is MySQL. We are all know that for a software, to develop a software, front end and back end is required for that. So, to design a front end, we are all using programming languages, and in addition to that, to design the back end, we are using database management system. So, we are all should get familiar with what is database. Actually, what is database? Database is the organized collection of data. So, what is database management system? It's a software. It facilitates how to create, manage and manipulate or store the information. So, it acts as a storage container. Whichever things we are doing through interactive forms, that will be stored in a container. That is what is called backend. So, here MySQL we are using as backend. So, how can we create a database in MySQL? How can we create tables? All those things I am going to share. Before that, I can tell you just an intro about MySQL. It's a free open source software, and it is used to create databases, and it is a relational database management system. So we need to get familiar with what is the word relational database management system. In a database management system, they may consist of many number of tables. So all these tables are connected to each other through a common column or a key. So we can retrieve all the details of the entire record from these tables. So we are establishing relationship between the tables. That is what is called relational database management system. So MySQL is a relational database management system. So how can we create database? Under the database we can create many tables. How can we create the tables? All those things I am introducing you in the coming hands-on learning experience. So you please watch, and how to create table, database, how to display the structure. DESC, the command I enclosed there. So that is to describe the structure of a table, it is there, and how to create the table, how to insert the values to a table, and how to retrieve the values. These are all the simple SQL statement included here. SQL means structured query language. So these are all the things I included in my in the coming session. So have a nice experience with hands-on learning.